How to fix Cash App can't link card. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to fix the Cash App can't link card issue. First, open the Cash App mobile application as shown here. This is the app's homepage. From here, tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This action takes you to your Cash App profile section. On this page, you'll find various options to navigate through different features of the app. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Support option. This will take you to the Cash App support page. Here, you will see several topics you can use to find help. From these, tap the option labeled Adding Money. Make sure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid mistakes. Once you're on the Adding Money page, tap the option at the top named Add Money. You will then be directed to another page with several options. From there, tap Problem Linking Card or Bank Account. Depending on whether you're trying to link a debit or credit card, choose the appropriate option on the next page. Cash App will now display some common troubleshooting steps. Scroll to the bottom of this screen and tap Contact Us. Under it, tap on the chat option. Wait for the page to load. Once the chat box opens, explain the issue clearly to the support team. Let them know you are unable to link your card. After sending your message, allow them some time to respond with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped resolve your issue. If so, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App can't link card.